Oh, got a little dirty lens there. That's better. All right, so we are just fueling up and headed out. I wish my truck had a little more fuel in it to start, because it's Sunday and I didn't want to stop, but here we are. Got me and T today. We're running solo because Ben's up in Wyoming with Dad, picking up a cool new addition for our fleet. Not to our fleet, for our fleet. So they can't join us today. Me and T are headed up to Logan, and we got a Jeep slid off the side of the road. So should be fun, should be interesting. Hopefully we'll have enough daylight that you guys can still get a little bit of a show, a view. But we'll film what we can. Unfortunately, it's probably gonna be dark, so bear with us on that one. But we're headed up there, so enjoy. I feel like an idiot on camera.
I think we all do.
Hello, my name is Caleb. I have a YouTube channel. I do recoveries and stuff. You better cut that out, Steve. I didn't cut it out.
Leave it in.
So right.
Take it easy.
Take it easy.
Hey guys, thanks for coming.
Howdy, howdy.
Oh, thank you so much. Go ahead.
So let's make sure real quick you got the keys.
Yep.
Perfect.
Keys and credit card.
Good, sweet.
All right. Oops.
You got to give it a pretty hefty shut.
Is it shut? Nope.
Yeah, it sounded like it.
That's good. Okay.
Okay. Well, we just got here. We're picking up the customer. What was your name?
David.
David. Are you okay with them knowing that?
Yeah, that's fine.
If not, we'll call him Clark. Anyway, so we've just picked up David. We got the keys and we're gonna head up the canyon. It is very dark. I don't even think you can see my face, although looks like you can see T a little bit in the background. So yeah, we'll do the best filming we can. It'll be night and hard to see anything.
You guys do a lot of recoveries up Logan Canyon?
I wouldn't necessarily say a lot of Logan Canyon. We definitely do a lot up in this area, but I would say in the last couple of years we've done 3 or 4 up in Logan Canyon.
Okay.
We don't mind coming up here. The DNR up here is actually pretty cool, and some of them will actually pull you out if it's not too big of a recovery. And obviously if people can find somebody closer, they don't have us drive 2.5 hours to come get them. Is that an old tow truck?
Oh yeah, yeah, right there.
What are we looking at?
It's,
We're gonna have to check that out when we come back. Actually, we're not coming back, huh? You'll be driving. I think I'm gonna go just pull over there and take a peek.
It's cute. Do they actually do toast with that?
No, I'm sure that's out of condition. Check that out. AAA. That's like a 51 or 52 GMC.
Thing's nice.
I like it. So are you just taking a nice scenic drive up the canyon? And
Yeah, I like to go up the mountains pretty often. And I usually back out if I can tell the conditions just aren't going to work, but this one snuck up on me. Like I had already gone up right hand fork, you know, a mile up, and saw another vehicle that was stuck. And so I actually pulled them out first and went to the highway, turned back around so I could keep going up, and that's when I got stuck. Oh, it was terrible. Like I didn't notice how it was starting to slope to the right, and I just started sliding and sliding, and everything I was doing to try to get myself out was just making it worse. So I just, yeah.
Well, you did the right thing with stop before it got too late.
Yeah, it's close to sliding down for sure.
Sometimes those roads, they can be totally fine, and then you hit a soft spot, and when you hit a soft spot, man, sometimes it's like just pulls your whole vehicle off the side of the road, and fast.
Yeah.
If we start sliding too much, I'll put it in 4-wheel drive, and if we have to, we can always let air out of the tires. I carry an air compressor with me, but as for now, it's doing okay.
There she is.
All right. Get out and take a gander. Well, first off, let's grab the stuff out from under the tires.
Okay.
On the other side. You can start it and get it warming up. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but he's definitely off the side of the slope, but he's got quite a bit of area before he goes off for the front. So what we're going to do is we're just going to hook to the back, pull the back up while he's got the tires turned and kind of calling the front, see if we can pull it up that way. And worst case scenario, we pull the back all the way over, and then we can back it up with the tires turned passenger and go and pull them the rest of the way. So I'll grab stuff and I'll hook up. What we're going to do is we're going to hook up to the back of it, because the front, there's a long ways before it gets scary. So we'll hook up to the back. We'll have you turn driver, slowly pull forward as we're winching in, and hopefully just bring it right back up on top. And then we can go, I mean, we could even turn around right there if we need to.
Right.
So
Sounds good.
and if not, if we can't catch traction going up, which I think will be okay, you got pretty good tires on it. So yeah, we'll just get it up here and then we'll go from there.
Sounds good.
If you want to grab your floor mats and stuff,
Yeah, I'll do that.
don't want to make sure we don't want to forget them. Like the steep. Get our Yankum ropes tow point out. I'm gonna pull up a little bit.
My floor mat is stuck under the front tire, so we'll have to.
Okay, we'll just make sure we don't forget it.
Okay.
Okay, leave your tires exactly how they are and come back a little bit. Nice and slow. Okay, turn your tires to where they're about straight. So turn them to the left, right about there. Now try again. Okay, now turn them passenger all the way. Oh, hold on. You rolled forward a little. Right there. Keep coming back. Okay, go ahead and keep coming. Keep coming. Turn them all the way passenger. There you go. Keep coming back. Yep, keep coming nice and steady. Just keep a little steady throttle. Okay, turn your wheels straight as you're coming back. Like I say, you want to roll this one down? Yeah, go ahead and just keep a little steady pressure. Don't spin them real fast, real slow, and go ahead and, no, just keep them right there and go ahead and keep coming back. Okay, let's turn driver and go forward. Okay, now we're out of the rut. It looks like you probably got traction now and you're out of the rut, so how comfortable do you feel turning it around? Okay, I'll go ahead and pull the hitch thing out, and then I'll give you the okay, and I'll have you just go up and turn around. Okay, go ahead. You wanna just film him turning around, make sure it all goes Gucci?
Gucci?
Gucci.
No.
That means good.
Yeah, I know.
Like that went pretty smooth. Okay, I'm gonna go right up and turn around, and then we'll just travel out together.
The floor mat launched itself down the hill somewhere.
Oh, there it is. All right, well,
I can grab it.
it's all right, I'll get it. This is why I
just
tried to
wanted
do
to
them
get out.
beforehand. Seems like they always get forgot after the fact.
I remembered.
Yeah, but both him and I forgot. Okay, that was all of it.
That was it.
I'll go turn around. Okay, so that was easy. It always is. Sometimes all you need is a vehicle that's got good enough tires to stay stable and a winch and pull you off the edge. So we're gonna make sure that he gets back down to his house safe. But now that we're on pavement, he's golden. He's got pretty good tires. It's just one of those situations where you hit that soft spot and it just pulls you right towards the edge, and sometimes there's not much you can do. Those of us that do a lot of off-roading know exactly what I'm talking about, especially in this type of snow. So, long drive for a quick pull. Story of our careers, right? So thanks for watching. We appreciate you guys, and go buy some cool stuff on our website.
We got him pulled out, and on our way out, coming down the